Namaskar dosto. Today is 1st May 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market where on this specific video as a monthly wrap for Nifty I will discuss my view on Nifty, disclose my trade plan for the next trading session which is 3rd of May 2021, review my trade of last trading session, share my learning and MTM position for the entire week. I hope these discussions will add value to your trading setup and trading ideas. So we are at a very critical junction in the market right now. Or all I think that it has already been initiated. Uh, Before we get into Lalaji, let's first check into US market. So when we look into S&P 500, last Friday, that is day before Friday, S&P 500 tried to touch new high, got rejected, and then on this Friday we had a very strong red bar, and that red bar was so strong that it actually came and touched 8 bar moving average, and it actually just took a support on 8 bar. So S&P 500 is showing some sign of weakness. It shows that something is changing in the market. Now if you see all the global markets, they are almost in red, and US government bond 10-year yield is has closed successfully above 20 bar moving average, and which is hovering around 1.63 1.64, and in last week it almost touched 1.68. So this is definitely not a good sign for an emerging market. And globally the equity market, now when we look into dollar index, the dollar index has sharply moved up. So after a doji here, it has sharply moved up, and now it is at 91.2. So this is also not a good sign for emerging market like India, and specifically Bank Nifty. And we see that impact of that on Bank Nifty on this Friday, where HDFC Bank has almost gone by 4%, and HDFC is almost also down by another 4%. So globally, definitely the things are not looking good, and something is definitely going wrong. Now when we look into Lalaji, let's see what Lalaji has to say. So today is a monthly wrap video, so I will go from monthly chart. So if you look into monthly chart, last month on April, after touching all-time high in March, sorry, in February. In March, we seen a doji. It means that we were not able to go above, or we even didn't even tested March high, which is 14,432. We had a doji, and then we had this confirmation candle, which is a red candle. So uh, the closing is below last month closing. So this is a confirmation to the reversal. So the reversal pattern is definitely formed on a monthly chart. Now when we look into moving averages, our 8 bar moving average on monthly is at 13412. So monthly test close above 8, above 20, above 50, and above 200. So definitely an uptrend on monthly basis. But 20 bar moving average is at around 11932. So this is a very clear sign that market on monthly basis also quite overstretched. Now let's get into weekly chart. So when you look into weekly chart, what we see is that market has closed, Lalaji has closed below 8, below 20, above 50, and above 200. So on weekly basis, it has closed below 20. So for me, this is like downward bearish sign. And in last week, it tried to touch 15037, but couldn't break this particular zone. And then we have seen in last two trading session a sharp decline. Now on daily basis, market has closed below 50, above 20, and above 8, and above 200. So here on daily, market is still in uptrend, although it is below 50, but it is still above 20 and above 8. Now for the coming week and the month, let's review some critical levels. So now we have weekly pivot, which is at 14,700. And now we have a monthly pivot which is at 14,609, which is also closer to daily 20 bar moving average. And market has closed above at 14,631. So this region for that is 14,606 is a good support. Now market will have another support which is at 14,460, which is weekly L3, and then monthly L3 which is at 14,385. If 14,385 is broken, then the very strong support will come at 14,140. On upper side, 14,877, which looks like a strong resistance, which is monthly H3. Now, when we look into 15-minute chart, what we see is that market has closed below 50, below 20, below 8, and just about 200. So here, definitely market is in downtrend. And 14,609, which is very close to 200 bar moving average, again confirms that this is a very strong support. So overall on moving average, if we look, market is showing sign of weakness. That it means that bears have definitely taken over market. And Monday's opening will play a very critical role because once it goes below 14,609, then this will start acting as a very strong resistance. And Monday opening is basically depend on Reliance result, which I'll talk about it. But before we get into that, let's try to confirm market profile. Let's see what market profile is trying to tell us. So when we look into CPR, Friday's CPR and Monday's CPR. So Monday's CPR is way below Friday's CPR. So market profile is definitely bearish. So it confirms the view that market is in bearish mode. Uh, Now let's look into SGX. So currently SGX is at 14,572. So which is way below 14,609. So now this will start acting as a very strong resistance. And at the same time, let's look into Reliance. So now Reliance, I found these two news very interesting. One is that there is an indication by Mukesh Ambani himself that this COVID will have some economic pain on Reliance Industries performance. And at the same time, we have a result of Reliance which says that its profit has doubled, more than doubled to 13 crore 227. So I'm not sure how market is gonna take this two news and what's gonna be signal. But overall, uh, when we just look into technical part, market is in bearish mode. And when market is in bearish mode, my strategy for 3rd of May is sell on rise, uh, assuming that market will open below its pivot. So if market is opening below its pivot, then what will happen is, say market opens somewhere at 14,572, which is below 200 day moving average, then every sell on rise is a good defensive strategy. So pivot for 3rd of May is at 14,696. Also, Camarilla H3 is 14,701, and that is also weekly pivot, which is 14,699. So for any reason, any upside move towards pivot should be sold because this will become a very strong resistance. So one can enter here and have a stop loss just about TC. Second thing, what will happen is that market will open below its range. So if PD low, it will open somewhere here. So market is opening below pivot, below range. So it will be out and out opening, and that is itself signaling a trend day. So another thing what could happen is that you will have a 15 bar moving average and market continues the downtrend towards S2, or which is 14 440. So 15-minute breakout is also another entry opportunity. And third is that market will not touch pivot, but it will just reverse from previous day close, because you have 200 bar moving average here, monthly pivot here, and also previous day low here. So 15,600 itself is also a very strong resistance. So one entry could be one lot here, second lot here if it goes back, and TC will be a stop loss, or otherwise 15-minute breakout with 15-minute top as a stop loss, or a pivot as a stop loss in any scenario. So that's my trade plan for tomorrow. uh, let's see how my MTM positions are looking. So before that, let's review the Friday trade. Let's see what I did on Friday. So Friday, my trade plan was to sell on rise, and market did exactly as per my trade plan. Market moved up, did not touch pivot, but somewhere on this particular red bar, I entered, and then unfortunately, somewhere on this green bar, I left the market. I got involved in certain things, but I left the market, and then market did a strong fall to my target of S2. So for this is my small, I got out on cost, so around 285 rupees loss. And if you want to see the trade, let me see. You cannot see the trade here, but overall last week, April has been in and out day for me, a month for me because of corona and all. But now last week I'm coming back, and I'm coming back very nicely. I like the way I'm trading nowadays. So what's my learning? My learning. So this is my position. I'm carrying one Nifty 50,000 P with me home. So that maintains my discipline of having one lot as per my trade discipline to go ahead in the market and test my trade setup. So that's what happened to me. What's my learning? My learning was that once you enter a market, you patience is the virtue, and you enter a market with clear indication that your stop loss will get hit. Then only you go out. You don't come out of the market in between. सो इट्स लाइक समुद्र में डूबा तो बॉस या तो मर के बाहर निकलने का या तो तैर के बाहर निकलने का, बीच में से बाहर नहीं निकलने का. दैट इज द बिगेस्ट लर्निंग. हैव ट्रेडिंग इज नॉट गेम फॉर अ पीपल विथ माइल्ड हार्ट. यहाँ पे एंटर ट्रेड विद द थॉट दैट यू आर गोना लूज द मनी. So that's my learning. I hope these discussions have added value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Thank you very much for your response, and welcome to all my new followers. If you are still with me, I sometimes this video gets very boring. Please share, like, and subscribe. It's a like and comment which motivates me to come and make more of these videos. Uh, Stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind.